Cooking with bad olive oil basically ruins the whole meal, but finding the good stuff is honestly confusing. There are so many fake labels out there. That's why I went out and bought 5 of the most popular olive oils on the market right now. I tasted them raw, cooked with them, and checked the harvest dates to tell you which ones are actually liquid gold and which ones belong in the trash. Product number 1, Atlas Organic Cold Pressed Oil. First, I looked at this Atlas Organic Oil from Morocco. Holding the 500 milliliter bottle, it feels pretty premium. I love that it comes from a single family farm, which usually means better quality control than those big corporate blends. When I poured a spoonful, the texture was incredibly smooth. You can tell it's cold pressed just by the smell. It's got that fresh, grassy scent that supermarket oils usually miss. I tasted it raw, and it has a nice peppery kick at the back of the throat, which is exactly what you want because that signals high polyphenols. I used this for dipping warm bread, and the flavor was complex but not overpowering. It's not the cheapest option for everyday frying, but if you want something special to finish a dish or just for dipping, this is a fantastic starting point. Product number 2, Sperlonga Extra Virgin Olive Oil 1L. Now, if you need something with a bit more volume without losing quality, I tried the Sperlonga. This is a 1-liter bottle, so it feels substantial in your hand. I was impressed by the Golden Award sticker from the New York competition. That's a big deal in the oil world. Pouring it out, the color is a deep, rich green. I tested this one on a fresh salad, and the flavor profile is distinctly Italian, very fruity with a mild bitterness that balances out well. It's rich in oleocanthal, so it's healthy, but it doesn't taste like medicine. It feels like a great middle ground oil. It's robust enough for cooking pasta sauces, but still delicate enough to drizzle over mozzarella. It's definitely the one to get if you do a lot of Italian cooking and want that authentic flavor profile. Product number 3, Atlas 1LT Cold Press Extra Virgin Olive Oil. I actually went back to the Atlas brand for this next one, but this time I grabbed the 1-liter bottle. Since I really liked the flavor of the smaller bottle, I wanted to see if the bulk version held up. Honestly, it's the exact same high-quality Moroccan oil I tasted earlier, just more of it. Holding the larger bottle, I realized this is the smarter buy if you fell in love with that peppery kick. I used this batch for roasting vegetables, and it held its flavor beautifully even after being in the oven. It's unprocessed and newly harvested, so it doesn't have that stale, greasy taste you get with cheap oils. If you go through olive oil as fast as I do, skip the small bottle and just grab this one to save yourself a reorder. It's just better value for the same great product. Product number 4, N-1 Drinking Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Things got really interesting with this N-1 Drinking Olive Oil. The name caught my eye immediately. It's marketed specifically for drinking for health benefits, so I took a shot of it straight. The bottle is smaller, about 17 ounces, and feels very specialized. The taste is intense. Because it has over 500 milligrams of polyphenols, it hits you with a strong, spicy burn in the throat. That's actually a good thing. It means it's packed with antioxidants. I wouldn't cook with this. It feels too precious and potent for a frying pan. Instead, I've been taking a tablespoon in the morning. If you are looking for olive oil purely for the health benefits, like reducing inflammation, and don't mind a strong, bitter bite, this is hands down the best option for your daily regimen. Product number 5, Partana Robust Extra Virgin Olive Oil 3L tin. Finally, I hauled this massive 3-liter tin of Partana onto the counter. This is the heavy hitter of the group. I love that it comes in a tin. It keeps the light out, which keeps the oil fresh longer. This is a Sicilian oil made from Castelvetrano olives, and you can really taste the difference. When I cracked it open, the aroma filled the kitchen. It's described as robust, and they aren't lying. It has a rich, buttery texture that's heavier than the others. I use this for everything: marinades, sautéing, and even baking. Because you get so much of it, you don't feel bad using it generously. If you have a big family or you cook every single day, this tin offers the best value without forcing you to sacrifice that authentic Italian taste. So whether you're taking health shots or cooking a feast for the family, one of these oils will definitely work for you. I've dropped links to all 5 down in the description so you can check the current prices and harvest dates for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.